This is the Woodford 35-720 stem. This stem does work for the models 14, 17, 22, and 22V. It just depends on the length you're needing for the stem. So the stem will come with that little rubber assembly there as well, and that screw in there. And we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of the stem. We'll measure from end to end. Lay it out here. So from the end of those splines to the end of the stem here, it measures right at 6 inches. And we can get an outer diameter here, and from this piece you can see those internal female threads there. And we get an outer diameter here. See, it's right at about 3/4 of an inch. So once again, this is the Woodford 35-720 6-inch stem.